Okay, hello everyone, and welcome back. Guys, we're going to look at this worksheet. I'm going to graph these linear inequalities in standard form. All right, now before we do that, before I graph them, I do some calculations first. All right, this says 5x plus 4y greater than or equal to 8. Well, first let's do the cover-up method and find out where they cross the x and y axis, where our line crosses. All right, so first we'll cover up the 5x. That's saying where x is 0. Let's cover up the 5x. So what we have then left is 4y equals 8. So y is 2. So just plot that right there. Y is 2 right there. Plot that point. Do the same thing with the y. Set y equal to 0. That means just cover up the 4y. Kind of like that. Cover it up. That just leaves 5x equals 8. 5x equals 8. All right, solve that. Divide both by 5. I got x is 1.6. Just put it in there as close as you can. Right about there, 1.6, okay? So now we have 2 points. We can draw our line. All right? Get rid of this. All right, this has a line underneath the inequality symbol. It says greater than or equal to. All right, so this is a solid line. So I'm just going to draw a solid line. All right, now, I want to know, is the origin part of the answer or not? Should I shade below here or above here? Use the origin. Just put x and y both 0. All right, it's easy with standard form because that just makes them both 0. So we're saying 0 greater than or equal to 8. We're saying 0 is greater than or equal to 8. Well, no, it's not. So it's not in the shaded area. All right, the origin is not a part of the answer. So shade above. All right, that's how you do that. We're just going to do them all right now. There's 6 of them, okay? Number 2, same thing. Looks like this. 5x plus 4y is greater than 12. First, cover up the x. Say x is 0, cover it up. Just say 4y equals 12. Well, that means y is 3. So mark 3 right here. That's a point. Then cover up the 4y. Right, that's what I do here. Y is 0, so 5x is 12. Divide both sides by 5. I get x is like 2.4. So it's right about here. Right about there. All right, this inequality just says greater than. It doesn't say greater than equal. It doesn't say that. There's no line underneath the inequality, so it's a dotted line. All right. Now check the origin. Should I shade down here or up here? All right, check it again. 0, 0. If both x and y are 0, then this side says 0 greater than 12. Well, 0 is not greater than 12. So the origin is not in the shaded area. So shade up here. Okay? They kind of look similar, those two. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Number 3. I can probably go a little faster now. Again, first thing you do is set x equal to 0. That just covers up the 2x. So I have negative 5 equals negative 5y equals 5. So y is negative 1. So go ahead and plot negative 1 is right here. All right, then set y equal to 0. That gives us 2x equal to 5. So x is 2.5. So go ahead and mark it at 2.5 right there. All right. The inequality symbol, it just says less than. There's no line underneath here, so this is a dotted line. So go ahead and make your dotted line. Something like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. Check the origin. If these are both 0, x and y, then we have 0 less than 5. Well, yeah, 0 is less than 5. So this origin, this point right here, has to be in the shaded area. So shade above. Because the origin is a part of the answer. All right, number 4. Same thing, guys. Set x equal to 0. I end up with y equals 4. Because remember, this is negative 2y and negative 8. So y is just 4. All right, so plot the point right there. Y is 4. Do the same. Set y equal to 0. Find x. As if y is 0, then just cover it up. X is negative 8. Boom. Let's go way back here. Negative 5, 6, 7, 8, right about here. Just go ahead and plot it out there. It's out there somewhere. Doesn't have to be perfect. All right. This says less than or equal to. That's the sign. Less than or equal to. So a solid line. All right, check the origin. 0, 0, if they're both 0, then this says 0 less than or equal to negative 8. Guys, 0 is not less than negative 8. All right? So no, the origin, this point, is not a part of the solution. So shade above. We're doing a lot of shading above, I was noticing. All right. Number 5. Again, guys, set x equal to 0. I end up with y equal to negative 5. Plot the point. Set y equal to 0. I end up with x equal to 25 divided by 3. That's about 8.3, roughly. So just go 6, 7, 8, right about there. Just plot it out there somewhere. All right, this says less than. So it's a dotted line. Kind of a dotted line. And let's take a look at the origin. If I set both of these equal to 0, 0 is less than 25. Yes, it is. So this origin is a part of the answer. So shade like that. All right, last one. I'm running out of time here. All right, set x equal to 0. I end up with y equal to negative 3. Plot the point. I set y equal to 0. X must be negative 6. Plot the point. All right, this simply says greater than. So this is a dotted line. All right. Check the origin. 0 is greater than negative 6. It sure is. 0 is greater than negative 6. So plot above. This is a part of the answer. The origin is a part of the answer. All right? Guys, that's how you do it. You do them by hand. And again, if you want to use Desmos, it's okay with me. Y'all, that's it. I'm running out of time here, so I have to stop. If you need some help, guys, it's okay. Email me. Thanks.